What is a giver's junto? Is it powerful? Welcome to the Givers University YouTube channel, the Givers Junto Episode 2. What is a giver's junto? Historically, the word junto dates back to the 1600s as a Spanish word meaning assembly. Junto is defined as a group of people who get together for a common purpose. The word was used infrequently from the 1600s until it was picked up by Benjamin Franklin in the 1700s. In the fall of 1727, Benjamin Franklin and a group of friends founded the Junto Club, also known as the Leather Apron Club. The 12 members were tradesmen and artisans who met Friday evenings for 2 hours to discuss issues of morals, politics, or philosophy. Franklin devised a group of questions to guide discussions at the meetings and to provide a meeting structure. It is at these weekly meetings that it could arguably be said that the beginnings of the foundation for the very Declaration of Independence were laid. Can juntos be powerful? Powerful indeed. A group of persons, a junto, which is committed to a common purpose, will have a synergistic power that no individual member will have. Givers University has formed the Givers communities, of which there are 3 different types, and all are called Givers Juntos. The 3 pillars of a Giver's Junto are: Pillar 1, the Giver's Junto Credo, which is Give to be Great. Pillar 2, the Giver's Junto Pledge, to help every Junto's member lead a life of predictive, massive, and exceptional happiness, freedom, and greatness. Pillar number 3, the Giver's Junto Labor of Love, which is ending hunger 1 zip code at a time. In the upcoming weeks, you will learn how to form your own Giver's Junto and how to become a member of a Giver's Junto that is already formed. We'll show you exactly how to surround yourself with the kinds of givers you have always wanted to have around you. To enjoy more great content, click on other episodes. To receive future great content, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe and notification buttons. Be a giver and share our videos with others. Thank you for watching.